I'm August Maturo.
And I'm McKenna Grace, and we're here for PETA Kids.
My favorite animals are dogs and pigs and horses.
My first favorite would have to be unicorns. My second favorite would have to be cats, but unfortunately I'm allergic. Then my third favorite would have to be llamas and alpacas. I am most excited to pet a llama because that's actually on my bucket list. I became a vegetarian because I felt really bad for the animals and I loved them a lot. Animals are very sweet and I don't think that they deserve to be tortured. If you have a dog at home or a cat, they're your friends, they aren't your food, and they're animals too.
I think that kids should actually come here and visit to see how innocent these animals are and how friendly they are.
For more ways to help animals, visit PETAKids.com.
Pigs are amazing, and goats and llamas.
I'm into that.